interested in seeing this video, just keep on watching. I'm going to be using this vase from Dollar Tree. Alright guys, I picked up this vase from the Dollar Tree, and so I'm going to use this. So next I'm going to be taking these jewels. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking this rhinestone paper that I picked up from Michael's. I'm going to be using this fine glitter here. I'm going to be using these gorgeous candle pedestals from Dollar Tree as well. Guys, I'm going to be using that same gemstone paper that I used earlier, and again this came from Michael's, and I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this around my pedestal. Okay, so I'm going to be using this decorative cake platter from the Dollar Tree. So now I'm going to start working on the top portion of my tray here, and what I'm going to do is just use these little gems that I picked up from Michael's. I'm also going to be using these Christmas ornaments that I picked up from Hobby Lobby a few years ago, but you can get these off of Amazon. Okay, so I'm just going to flip it over and start to glue on my gems. Okay, so now I'm just going to glue this top portion on, but I'm going to be doing this off camera because I need this to go on straight. Enjoyed this little video. If you have, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.
Hi Mom.